To event Bill.com API integration. Follow this comprehensive guide. First, understand the basics of Bill.com API, which allows developers to access and manage billing data programmatically. The API uses RESTful architecture and returns data in JSON format. Step 1. Create a Bill.com developer account and obtain an API key. This key is necessary for authenticating API requests. Next, choose the API endpoint you want to integrate, such as creating a new bill or retrieving a list of vendors. Step 2. Set up API authentication by including your API key in the request header. You can use tools like Postman or curl to test API requests. Make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure robust integration. Step 3. Integrate the Bill.com API with your application. Use a programming language like Python or Java to send HTTP requests to the Bill.com API. For example, you can use the requests library in Python to create a new bill. Best practices include handling rate limits, implementing retry logic, and monitoring API performance. Ensure you comply with Bill.com API terms of service and use secure protocols like HTTPS to protect sensitive data. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate the Bill.com API with your application, automating billing tasks and streamlining your workflow. Remember to consult the official Bill.com API documentation for detailed information on available endpoints and parameters.